Hello students. In the last video we used a special pattern called the difference of two squares to help us solve certain types of quadratic equations. In this video and the next one we're going to use a different pattern, or two different patterns, called the square of a sum and the square of a difference, to show you how to solve again a different type or a certain type of quadratic equation. So square of a sum has this pattern. So square of a sum, and square of a difference has the pattern square of a difference. So we have to start by recalling from earlier in the year how we expand, in one step, how we expand expressions that look like this. So I'm going to do these the long way, and from that we'll have a shortcut. So a plus b all squared. Well, squared of course means you're multiplying something times itself. So that's a plus b times a plus b. I can use the crab claw to expand it. So a times a times b times a, b times b. And when I do that, I get a times a is a squared, a times b is ab, b times a is ba, and b times b is b squared. And I'll have to run it over here since I'm going to run out of space otherwise. I end up with a squared plus, well, BA is the same as AB, so I have AB plus AB, which is 2AB, and then plus B squared. So if I'm expanding an expression that has that form, I can do it in one step by writing it in that form. Now this one's not too different. I'll do it the same way, however. A minus B all squared is a minus b times a minus b. I'll use the crab claw to expand it. A times a minus a times b minus b times a, and minus times minus is plus b times b. So I end up with, I'll have to come down here to do it, a times a is a squared minus a times b is minus ab, minus b times a is minus ba, and minus b times minus b, well, that's effectively negative b times negative b, so that becomes plus b squared. By the way, that's a common mistake that students make when expanding, is they see the minus and they want to write the minus or the subtraction. Okay, let's simplify that. So a squared minus ab minus ab, since that can be rewritten as a times b, gives us minus 2ab and plus b squared. So the second pattern, called the square of a difference, is a minus b all squared can be expanded to be a squared take 2ab plus b squared. So those are the two patterns. Let's go ahead and quickly practice that before we go ahead and go the other way and factorize. Okay, here's a summary. So the first term is the same, the second term is the same. The only difference is we've got a plus and a minus. When you expand it, the first term is the same, the last term is the same, and the only difference is the middle term here is plus 2ab because of the plus sign, and for this expression it's minus 2ab because of the minus sign. So we can write the pattern as a plus b all squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And then the second rule, the square of a difference, a minus b all squared is a squared take 2ab plus b squared. Sometimes mathematicians, again being lazy, wanting to write as little as possible, write it that way. So here you've got a plus or minus b all squared equals a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared. And the plus or minus just means that this works. If there's a plus on top, there has to be a plus there. If there's a minus there, there has to be a minus there. So that's the short way of combining the two special formats into one. I'll just put them back into that form for now. So we can go ahead and expand these now in one step. Okay, so that's A, that's B. So I've got of the form A plus B all squared. So the special format here says when I expand it, I get A squared, which is X squared. Now the middle term is the one that seems to cause students the most problems. It's going to be 2 times A times B. So 2 times X is 2X, and 2X times 4 is 8X. And sometimes it's almost easier to go 2 times B times A. So think 2 times 4 is 8 times X. So you can think of it either way. You get the same answer. And then plus B squared, so plus 16. Okay, let's try one with a subtract. So we've got X take 5 all squared. Well, once again, that's A, that's B. The pattern is when we expand it, the first term is A squared, or in this case, X squared. The middle term is minus 2 times X times 5. Well, 2 times X is 2X. 2X times 5 is 10X, so minus 10X. And then finally plus, not minus, plus 5 squared, which is 25. So there's the expanded form of that in one step. Okay, stop the video and you do the next two, please. Okay, welcome back, students. Okay, here A is equal to 2X and B is equal to 1. So 2X all squared is 4X squared. There's a plus there, so I write a plus there. And now I need 2 times, 2 times A times B. Well, 2 times 2X is 4X. 4X times 1 is 4X. And plus 1 times 1 is 1. And the last one, A is equal to 3X, B is equal to 5. So that expands to be 3X all squared, which is 9X squared. There's a minus there, so there's a minus there. 2 times 3X is 6X. 6X times 5 is 30X. And then 5 times 5 is 25. So once again, there's a subtraction in front of the second term, but an add in front of the third term. Okay, so that's just a quick review of expanding squares of sums and differences. In the next video, we'll show you how to factorize, and then the video after that, we can then use that to help us solve some quadratic equations.